Just gone for a hike. 10-hour hike, I think. Maybe less. There and back. Not too sure. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. Just want a quick update with you guys, yeah? After walking around for like 4 or 5 hours? 4 or 5 fucking hours. This mountain, this hike here, is no fucking joke. It's no fucking joke. This is not a hike. This is like, this is something else, yeah? Where I wanna go is fucking hard work, man. It's not kilometers, I'm telling you. It's about how deep the fucking hill is. Like, it could be 100 feet. It would take you 2 hours to get up that fucking hill. Cause that hill is that deep. That fucking hike is mad. Met some guy. He's been hiking around this area 8 days. 8 fucking days. That's how big this mountain is. I mean, he was taking his time. He's taking his time. And earlier I was at this viewpoint. Fucking amazing. Saw this guy. Apparently he's the park ranger. He told me I went the wrong way. Imagine that. Completely the wrong fucking way. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna find my way back. It's gonna take me another 2-3 hours. And I'm gonna look for a beach. That's what I do. Gonna look for a beach. Gonna give up on this mountain. Gonna look for a beach. And tomorrow, gonna find an easier mountain with fucking signs for kids to hike. Not for me. This is not for. This is hard work, man. This mountain is beautiful, but it's hard work. Peace. Seriously. The whole time. This is my view. The whole time. This is the path. How crazy is this? Like, how crazy is this? Huh? Wow, this hike is no joke here. One left turn, one right turn. You're fucked. Yep, you're fucked.